People downsize for different reasons. Some leave Toronto, others stay but rethink how they want to live here. The home that made sense during the years of commuting, school drop-offs, and busy weekends may not be the right fit today, and that's okay. If you're downsizing within Toronto, here are 6 things worth considering. First, choose easy over big. A large yard isn't much fun if it feels like a part-time job. The goal isn't no maintenance, it's maintenance that you actually enjoy. Number 2, rethink school districts. If your school catchment no longer matters, you may not need to pay the premium. That money could go toward a better location, travel, or simply staying on budget. Number 3, think about travel. Many downsizers travel more. Easy access to Pearson, the Up Express, or major highways can make every trip a little bit easier. Number 4, lock and leave. Whether it's a condo, a low maintenance house, there's plenty of freedom in being able to lock the door and head away without worrying about the property whenever you like. Number 5, prioritize peace and quiet. The lively neighborhood that appealed to you years ago may not today. Many downsizers are looking for calm, not isolation, just a little bit more peace. Number 6, keep what you love. A balcony, a garden, a workshop, space for family visits. Keep the features that add to your life and let go of the chores that don't. The best downsizing moves aren't about living with less. They're about maintaining less and enjoying more. I'm David Coffey of Bosley Real Estate.